Hey guys, just want to do a review of the DR Power Equipment driveway grader. So we got it hooked up. We've used it a couple times before, and honestly I was just trying to get the driveway fixed and wasn't worried about making a review video. It does pretty good, so I just kind of wanted to show you some before and after. We just got the hand crank one. A lot of the reviews we had seen, if you get the electric one, it lasts about a year or two and then it's toast. So go with the hand crank one. That's pretty much it, and then we'll show you a before and after of the driveway. It's got a couple different hitch attachments. You can hook it up like that. There was like a pin system you can use, so neat how you can hook it to different equipment. We've put it on the four-wheeler. That worked pretty good as well. It doesn't want to start, so we're going to use the truck to try and straighten some things out a little bit. Hope this helps and helps you make a good decision. Okay, so here's what we're trying to improve, is a lot of just the ups and the downs in the driveway going up this hill. So we'll grade it out 5 or 6 times and it'll smooth it out. We'll see how it does. Okay, so I mean, it's really easy to control. You just turn that. So once you get it, you know, kind of how you want it. So this side over here is looking pretty good. For whatever reason, the audio quit working right then. Went up and down about 3 times up, 3 times down on both sides of it. It does seem to hit a point to where it's not really doing much. The looser, the softer the ground is, the more effective it can be. If it's rock hard, it has a difficult time with it, but it does help. It makes a big difference. You can tell a major improvement when you drive, you know, your cars up and down versus the before, where if you had a glass of water, for example, you know, it's spilled all over the place. I would recommend it for the price compared to some of the others that they want, you know, thousands of dollars for. Hope this helps you out. Quick little disclosure, this was not a paid promotion or anything like that. Please like and subscribe and have a fantastic day.